All right, so my doctor has threatened to put me on cholesterol medication. Unless I reduce my cholesterol, I also have to lose weight because I have gained 12 pounds since October. So about the last 6 months, so steadily gaining 2 pounds a month. And yeah, that's not cool. Also, my blood sugar is up. I am diabetic, so it's up anyway. But I feel like it should be going down because I am on medication for it. I'm on metformin. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my measurements and then we will see. Compare them every other week or whenever I feel like it. But yeah, this will give me a baseline to go from because weight isn't always a good measure of your progress. That's what I'm telling myself anyway. So I'm gonna try and do like the biggest part of my body, wherever I'm measuring, and I'm gonna do it in centimeters. Yeah. So we are at 43, and 43, good. This leg tends to be a little bit smaller just because I favor my other leg because I broke this one a while ago. So this is 73 centimeters, and oh, 73 and 70, actually this thigh is bigger. That's interesting. Okay, I got an alarm going off, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop that. Okay. So we got 73 and 71. Then I'm gonna do the biggest part of my butt. Yeah, so I started a new job. I started driving a school bus. So that has kind of a little bit of time in between runs. So I do a lot of snacking, which I really shouldn't, but yeah. So that is 121. That's my butt. And then I'm gonna pull this down a little bit because I've got a little bit of creasing going on here, a little muffin top going on. So we'll do my belly. Get those rolls in there. This is 120. And then we'll pull that up. And then under bust. Make sure I'm measuring from the correct end of the tape measure. That's 98 centimeters. And then biggest part of my bust. I'm gonna go right in the back, straight across. It's 43 inches or 109 centimeters. And I'm gonna do my forearms. 27 centimeters, and my bicep won't flex. 35 and a half centimeters, and then forearm. Wow. It's going to be 28. And 35. And then my neck is 36. So that's my week 1 starting measurements. Yeah, life is stressful, but guess what? Let's add more stress. Let's work out. And yeah, I've been trying to aim for 4 times a week, but that usually gets about 2. I usually get about 2 in per week, which is not enough. So we're gonna up that. No excuses. I did legs today. Yeah, so it's good. I think 216 or 219 as of this morning. I will edit that in, put it like right here or something. And yeah, that's it. So week 1, let's go. Let's start over.